Hello gardeners, and in this video I will tell you in detail when to sow cucumbers for seedlings. Why exactly these days, as well as in the video I will show you how to do it correctly. If you listen and watch carefully, and follow my words, then this year you will get an earlier and more abundant harvest of cucumbers. Regardless of where you are going to grow them in a greenhouse or in the open ground. Actually, let's figure it out. I know that you viewers of my channel live in different regions, countries and therefore in different climatic conditions. And therefore it is impossible to find one universal date for all of you. Therefore, I will now help you individually to find that golden day, in which cucumbers should be sown for seedlings, and I will do this using the example of my climatic conditions. I live in Ukraine, Kharkiv region. But don't worry for your area, you will now also find this golden number. A little theory. The age of cucumber seedlings that can already be planted in the open ground or in a greenhouse should be about 20 days. Because basically on the 40th day cucumbers are already beginning to bear fruit. And cucumber seeds will take from 3 to 5 days to germinate. It all depends on the variety and what kind of seeds you sow. Pre-soaked or dry seeds. Accordingly, soaked germinate much earlier. And what to soak in, I have already told you on my channel. And the last thing you need to know to find the most cherished number of sowing is the number when the probability of night frosts has already passed in your region. For example, we have no frosts in the Kharkiv region from year to year after May 15th, and now we find when it is best to sow seeds for seedlings in my region. We know that from May 15th there will be no more frosts and the night temperature will not fall below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Therefore, we take away 20 days, this is the age of mature seedlings. We get it on April 25th. We also take away 5 days. This time is required for seed germination, and we get that in the Kharkiv region it is already possible to start sowing seeds from April 20th for seedlings. Later is also possible, but earlier is not necessary. Because seedlings can outgrow. And now you can also calculate a suitable date for your climatic conditions, using the same formula. Take the date when you have passed the probability of night frosts, and frosts are temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and feel free to take 25 days, and this day will be in your place of residence, the best for sowing cucumbers for seedlings. And as you understand, no matter where you live, and also as promised at the beginning of the video, I will now show you how to properly, quickly and efficiently sow seeds for seedlings. You will need a 1-pint glass, which should have drainage holes in the bottom so that excess moisture can easily flow out. Because cucumber seeds do not like excessively moist soil, seeds can rot, and you won't get any shoots. I add fertile, loose, airy soil to the cups, but leave 1 inch empty at the top. Then I lay out the seeds in all the cups. If you have professional, processed ones, then put 1 seed in each cup, if the seeds are of your own collection, and accordingly you have a lot of them, but the germination of such seeds may not be large. So it is advisable to put 2 seeds in each cup so that you do not have empty cups after germination. Then, in each cup with seeds, I put half an inch of the same nutritious soil on top and seal it. I water abundantly, I have drainage holes in my cups, excess moisture will come out of the cups. But then I proceed as follows. I have a greenhouse, the cups are in the greenhouse during the day. The temperature in it is about 87 degrees Fahrenheit if you do not have a greenhouse. And if you plan to grow cucumbers in the open ground, then germinate seeds and grow seedlings in the house on the windowsill. Or in a rack with a backlight. At this time, there are already more sunny days, the home temperature will be quite enough for seed germination. And already 2-week seedlings can be taken out and tempered on the street for a day. And bring it back to the house at night. And you need to plant it in the garden after passing the return spring frosts. And you can control all this with the help of a weather forecast. So friends to whom the information from this video was useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.